looking for a place.
Hi guys, this lump egusi soup with plantain fufu will make you to go look for more. So keep watching. Let's get started. I just added meat. Use any protein of your choice. I'm using chicken, the hard one here. I have already added them. Now I'm adding the spices. I added onions, dried onions. Today I'm going to use dried onions. I use rosemary, dried one. I added now stockfish with the water. I've already soaked this stockfish for a while now, more than 2-3 hours to get soft. Okay, after adding all the spices, I'll go ahead to parboil this meat with the stockfish. Now guys, you can see my protein is ready for this wonderful and amazing lump egusi soup with plantain fufu. I forgot to add the seasonings, just added it, and I'll go ahead to add my dry fish. I'm using 2 dry fish. I'm gonna add my mackerel. You guys know me. If you have been watching my soup video, I like fish much, so I'll go ahead to add my I'll add the mackerel and add blended fresh pepper. This blended fresh pepper is gonna bring this soup to the next level. Yeah, it will make it tasty and flavorful. So go ahead and add the sauce. Yeah, and just stir it and cover it to cook more. I added the mackerel later and the fish, dry fish, to cook now so that the taste will come out. Okay, first of all, cook your stockfish and your hard meat protein before you can add the mackerel. Mackerel just to parboil and bring the taste out. Okay, look at this. This is so yummy. It's always, my soup is always yummy. Now go ahead to remove this mackerel because I don't want it to spoil here. You can see I've already started spoiling, guys. I'll go ahead to bring them out before we go ahead. So keep watching. Don't go away. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Go ahead to like this video, share it to much people. I will go ahead to add my oil. You can also use tomato if it's what you like. I like using oil to cook my soup. Yes. So use any brightening of your choice. If you want to use tomato, go ahead. So you can see the egusi, I've already blended them. I'm using enough egusi in this lump egusi soup because the lump itself is gonna make contain or take a lot of egusi. So I'll go ahead to take more. Remember, I'm adding my crayfish. Crayfish is what you will never forget to cook whenever you are cooking your soup, because crayfish is the taste of your soup. I added a lot of crayfish to bring the taste to the next level, guys. So I will stir it and I'll go ahead. Look at this egusi, blended egusi. I will go ahead to use a small pot to cook it. I added now hot water. This hot water will make this egusi to begin to get lumps. Yes, you can see I will add all of them, but you use any quantity of egusi. If you are cooking a small soup, just use any quantity you like. I want to use enough egusi. I added hot water and I will cook it like 5 or 3 minutes. Allow the egusi to cook well. Some people say egusi is giving me running stomach. No, it's not my egusi. When I cook egusi and give you, can never give you running stomach. You don't cook your egusi very well. That is why it gives you running stomach or dysentery. No, look at now, this egusi is well cooked. Look at it, have started having the lumps already. I have not even added it. look. So you learn how to cook in my channel. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Cook this egusi like 5 minutes to 10 or 7 minutes. Allow it to cook before you can add it in your soup. Some people can also say, let me just fry it. You can also fry it if you like, but this one is another method you can cook lump egusi soup. So after cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes, I will now go ahead to add it in my soup. You can see how I am adding it. Add it, don't stir it after adding. After adding, allow it to cook in a low heat, not in a high heat, please. In a low heat, after cooking for 3-5 minutes before you can stir it a little bit. So keep watching and don't forget to share this. Don't what will I say, don't be stingy. Share to other people to learn as well, because there are people who don't know how to cook egusi to have lumps. Share to them. There are different types with how you can make it to have lump. This is one method, okay? Yeah, you can as well add it. You can as well add it a rosso. That is something we call a rosso. When you add a rosso, I don't know what is called a rosso in English. I don't know. If you add a rosso, it will make it to have a lot of lumps. You can, as well as you are cooking it or mixing it, you can also add crayfish or some spices. Then you add it. Look at this egusi. Look at this egusi, guys. What are you seeing? Are you not seeing fantastic and malicious and the delicious egusi? So I'll go ahead now to add my bitter leaf. So this bitter leaf is dried bitter leaf. I soaked it with hot water. You can see how it is. I will add it. Then I will go ahead to add my mackerel I removed and stir it. Stir it very nice, guys. In fact, go and bring your plates. Bring your fufu. I'm gonna do plantain fufu. Don't go away to see how I'm gonna do this plantain fufu, and we are going to eat together. Share. Don't forget to share and like, so that YouTube can also recommend our videos to other audience. Okay, and thank you so much. Look at this egusi now. This egusi is making me now to go and begin to eat. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep watching how I'm going to prepare the plantain fufu. This is the plantain. This plantain is already made. I bought it like this. I'll go ahead now to open it and take the one I'm going to make. You can as well use your fresh plantain. Yeah, use your fresh plantain if you like. On my channel here, you can see how I made a fresh plantain fufu. You can as well check it out and see how I prepare it if you want to make a fresh plantain fufu. So I will be adding the plantain fufu gradually, powders gradually. You can see this plantain fufu. If you cannot turn it very well, you can as well use cold water to melt it before you can add it in your hot water and turn. There are many ways you can make your plantain fufu, not one way. There are different ways. So anyone that's easier for you, just take it and make your plantain fufu. Thank you so much. So continue watching. Let me allow you to watch to the end. Thank you so much.
Check, entertaining, check, for food, we did, for vlog, we did, lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado space. This is Chikwado space channel. Oh, this is Chikwado.